Hey guys, namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel on day 3. In today's video, I'm going to share a smoothie recipe which has got numerous health benefits like from heart health to gorgeous skin. So, without taking much of your time, let's get started. To prepare this smoothie, take 2 cups of black grapes, 1 red apple, add 6 to 7 pieces of beetroot. This is a secret ingredient. Your kids won't even know there is a beetroot been added. I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. This is completely optional. Adding coconut will give you a subtle taste and color to this smoothie. And add only 1 cup of water as grapes have got a good water content, so I have added only 1 cup. Black grapes are rich in antioxidants which helps in controlling blood pressure and also helps to maintain your skin always glowing. Since we have added coconut, the color of this smoothie will be beautiful purplish. Let's strain and squeeze out all the pulp. All the pulp has been extracted, only the fruit peel is remained in the sieve. Our day 3 healthy and nutrient-dense smoothie is ready to be served. This really tasted good. My son couldn't even find that there is beetroot has been added. So you all too try and let me know in the comment section. See you all tomorrow with another interesting smoothie recipe. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.